Yeah, just those of you having a bit of trouble with your V-rods, maybe having a misfire, you can pull the coil apart, give the spring a quick stretch either end, and you can place it back in this tube. It's not too hard, might take a bit of effort, but eventually goes in there. Hard to do with one hand, but eventually get there, eh? Once that's gone in, oh yeah, this was corroded as well, so it's the end of the spring. So clean it all up, put it back together, and hopefully that should be your misfire fixed. My trouble is that the plug had broken, so it created a huge gap in here. There's movement. It might have been this one of the two. But anyway, yeah, plug had broken, so probably don't need new coils now, but yeah, those are some of the fixes you can go through. Yeah, so good luck guys. See ya.